Hello, hello, hello. It is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself. And we have a Facebook group site, which you should see the link right now. Plus, it's in the description box listed below. Our Mini Kit Monday challenge for the month of January of 2023 is to start with photographs. So select enough photographs to create 3 to 5 layouts, then go to your scrappy supplies and gather papers and embellishments that either match the theme or colors of your photographs to create mini kits. For my first kit, layout number 1 is based on 2 photographs of my little guy the first week of January and our first little bit of snowflakes. And when you see the photographs here in just a minute, you will see that it has an autumn feel and not a winter feel. So I selected pattern paper from the Becky Fernwood collection. This paper right here, I cut 10 by 8 1/4. That orange pattern paper is 9 1/4 by 7. And then I map my photographs on that paper there that you see. Now here is my little guy, and as you can tell, it looks like fall in the background, but it is the first week of January, and he's trying to catch the snowflakes. I also took another pattern paper from Becky, and on one side were these very large 4 by 4 cards, or are they 4 by 6 cards? And I cut them all up, and I'm trying to determine which card to use on this layout. And most of them work except for this one. And in the end, I chose to use this one where I can journal on, but I cut it in half and I use the left side. I ink it up using close to my heart black ink, because as you notice on the top and left side, it already had a printed border. So I just inked the right and lower or bottom half of that journaling spot heavily using my sponge and black ink from close to my heart. Now, Becky in the Fernwood collection has chipboard alphas that you can paint on using acrylic paint, inks, or watercolor inks. And I chose to use these ones from Rachel Beth. I think that's the name. I'll have to look it up. It's been a while since I've used her watercolor paints, and I just love them. I just kind of got away from watercolors, and now I am venturing back to them. And I use 2 different colors. One is a red autumn color, and then the other one is this fern green color. Again, you can use acrylic paints, you can use inks, you can probably even use the sprays, the shimmer sprays, and you can use watercolor. My title is It Snow? Right? Because it's just little snowflakes, but nobody knows that. But I will journal about that there on that journaling spot to the left. Now, for my stickers and chipboards pieces that I'm going to embellish this layout with are from the Becky Fernwood collection. I do bring in some acrylic pieces from close to my heart. Right now you see this sticker here, and it says, "So many wonderful things surround you." Thought this was fitting with the snowflakes dropping from the sky. And I am going to place that to the left side of the photograph. It looks fine there, but at the time when I was creating this layout, I was not satisfied with that location where you see it right this minute. Now I'm bringing in some chipboard pieces, and I thought I would try to incorporate this little tag or tab. It's a tab, and I didn't like it. And I'm back looking at the sticker sheets and the chipboard pieces, and I found this chipboard piece that is in black with gold inlay lettering. It says, "Life is short and the world is wide," like that saying. Then I'm bringing in this chipboard house because this photograph is taken from our backyard at home. So I thought that was fitting. I will also bring in a word strip from one of the pattern papers and place it over there to the right by that house where it says, it doesn't where it says, it will state, it does state wild and free. Spit it out, Dolly. Okay, here are the black acrylic pieces from Close to My Heart, and I am picking out some funky stars, and then I'm going to add black snowflakes. Yes, black snowflakes. They go great with the Becky Fernwood collection. All right, before I forget it, at the end, there will not be close-ups. In the description box below will be the links to Becky and Kathy's channel. And this layout is complete, except for, that's right, in the very end, I decide to add Nuva Mica Mist in Silver Smoke, not white. I use Silver Smoke. I just felt it went better with the Becky Fernwood collection. And I sprinkled them over to the left of the photograph and then around the title. All right, now the layout will be complete, and I have to correct myself. At the very end, there will be 2 close-up pictures. I do my journaling off camera. Again, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. It helps bring traffic to our channel so that we are inspiring people that you and I don't know. And let everybody know that the Mini Kit Monday ladies are back, and we will be posting every Monday, and we will be updating the Facebook weekly with the layouts that we complete along with the members of Mini Kit Monday. All right, get out your photographs, document those memories in a fun, creative way, and we will see you again soon. Bye.